Hi traders, in today's video I am going to show you some interesting stuff, and I actually have a gift for you as well. One commenter said, and I am, you know, I am interested in opinions that, man, I think you don't have as much followers because you don't give stuff for free. And I was like, I know that I am doing something that is just not in the mainstream. I am not saying that scalp robots can make you 1 million%. In fact, I am doing the opposite. I try to educate people actually in trading, which is the unfortunately turned into the biggest gambling of all time because most traders, most newcomers don't know what they are doing. So, in this video, I am going to show you, first of all, a new set file for the Gold Trader, the Gold AI trader that we are in this channel, on this channel now developing for about, I think, 1 year or maybe a bit more. And also we have live accounts with it and a bunch of set file source codes that you can check out on Gumroad if you want in the description. I'm going to put it there. So we have a new set file that was getting one of the highest scores in my Edge Matrix software. And I was thinking about it, why it is one of the best ones that we tested. And so let's check out these parameters, these values and parameters and the values, because it is I think it's very exciting and it's very interesting for anyone who is trading with robots and developing. So our numbers are pretty good because we have of course, 99% data quality, and we have almost 200% gain, which is very, very high, and just with 14% drawdown. But it's not that interesting. Our profit factor is 2.3, which is pretty good. But what is usually the part that you should check out is this part here, because we have so this one, because we have around 50% win rate, so we are winning like 50% of the trades. So out of 10 trades, you are winning 5 and losing 5. And what we have is a great risk to reward ratio, because if you check it out, the average trade was $160, the average profit trade, but the average loss trade was just $60, which means that we have around 1 to 2.5 risk reward ratio, which is very, very good, especially with the 50% win rate, because most of the time EAs that are having this kind of risk reward ratio, they have around 30 to 45% win rate. So this is pretty good. And so I understand why it got this score, and I am uploading this set file to the Gumroad package as well. If you have it, you can download it. But this video is for education, not just for the buyers or anything like that. So let's see what we changed in this to make it in a way precise, because if it's 50% win rate, you have the average win more than 2 times bigger than the average loss, then the dynamic exits are working pretty good, because we are letting the winners run and we are cutting the losers early. Like the early is not too early, like in at the best part that's possible. So let's see the day of the week filter here. We didn't really filter out any of the days. But on gold, and this is interesting to me, on gold we actually filtered out two sessions, and I think you wouldn't guess which sessions because it is the London session and it is the Pacific session, which is interesting because one of it is a very like intense and volatile, and one is not so much. So we filtered out two completely different sessions, and I think without analyzing it, I wouldn't have guessed that we should filter out the London session. So it is very interesting to me, and this is why I'm using the software actually. So now, the all of the other parameters are, I think, not that exciting, but I'm going to put up a set file so you can check it out even like on my website, so you can check it out even if you didn't buy the source code or anything like that. And now with this set file, we are going to do in Monte Carlo a deep advanced Monte Carlo analysis for robustness testing, which is very important. But first, let me show you something. I actually um, prepared a gift for you. Yeah, these are the live accounts currently. Pretty interesting, I think. It is going to be an interesting year. For example, the Apex is now crushing it on Pepperstone broker on multiple accounts. So it's interesting. And also the ATG EAs are very good because one is at 61 and one is at 170. 172%. Pretty good. So I actually prepared a free dashboard indicator for you. And I wanted to tell you like if you like it and if you would give me a 5 star, I would be very happy. And also not just I would be very happy, but it would make me motivated to put up more like free softwares, even more complicated, more complex ones than this, because at this point I am trading so much and I am doing a lot of work that I can give a little bit, to the community as well, because I actually love trading and just, some statistics. I think already a good amount of traders are using it. But yeah, I would highly appreciate some good review and things like that. So yeah, I can put out some more interesting softwares. It is a dashboard software that you can use if you want. If you don't, it's okay. Just it's completely free. It's with all its features. So it is just a nice software that I wanted for so long that is not consuming much of your CPU, where you just see the win rate, see the profit factor of your live account or demo account. You see if it's a real account, like if it's a live account or a demo account, see the total trades, the wins, losses, gross profit, Sharpe ratio. You see the average win, average loss, the risk to reward, and best trade, worst trade. These are the things that you should just always see. So it is not. It's not taking much of your full chart, so you can use it as it's intentional, so you can trade and stuff, and you just take a look at it. Yeah, I have the live account. I have now like the the best trade is much bigger than the biggest losing trade, which is good. I have a 12% drawdown, and here is an equity as well that it is drawing here, and the sessions too. So, and the consecutive losses and wins. So it is just a gift for the community. That's all. Um, yeah. So now with this set file, we are going to go ahead and test it in the free Monte Carlo because that's the best way to do it. You can use it as well actually if you want with any of your EAs for unlimited tests. And this is actually the test that we have now. I'm very interested how it is going to go. You just load it here in the free Monte Carlo test. I highly recommend you to check this out because there is no other online Monte Carlo test that can test for Forex and for cTrader especially, but for MT5 and MT4, there is nothing like this, where you can just go to the website and it's doing a like a complex Monte Carlo analysis. And actually, one of the other things that you can do, and now we are going to do it, is with 5,000 simulations with permutation, and we are going to skip 2% of the trades. This is, I think, what you should do first if you want to analyze your own robot, your own set file. Then you check run Monte Carlo, and which is very interesting because this is this got one of the highest scores that I have seen since I am testing here on this site with the advanced Monte Carlo analysis. You can actually download the report too if you want. That's I think pretty good that you can do it. Let's just see. Yeah, this is the report, the basics and some more advanced stuff. You can use this risk multiplier as well, which is very important. And let's see. So we have the original drawdown, that is 14%, and we have the 95 confidence index drawdown, that is 21%. So we would use, if you want to keep, I am showing it to you. So if you want to keep this drawdown here, the 14% that you had in the test, what you should do is to use, and this is why Monte Carlo, this is so important, to use the 95% confidence index number and have a multiplier, which is now available. You don't have to do it yourself. But so basically, you are going to multiply your lot size with this number, and that is what you are going to use on live account if you want to keep this drawdown in the live account as well, not just in backtest, which is important. And yeah, there are some scalpers, some martingales where like the original drawdown is 10%, and the 95 confidence index drawdown is like 100%. So usually this Monte Carlo test is revealing a lot about an EA, so it's important. You can read the results explained as well, but I don't want to do it now. And soon the Edge Matrix is going to come out, which is the most complex analysis software for retail traders in terms of like a few categories, because there are some analysis softwares from walk forward testing and those kind of things, but it is a purely mathematical software that is analyzing backtests. And I am going to make some more videos about it when it is going to come out. So I am going to run this test, this set file on the live account, and you can, I think in the next video, I am going to put it up live. Maybe we are going to do it together. These new account with these new set files from the last video for the 5-minute chart, and this for the 1-hour chart. We are going to put them to live, and so we can check them as well as we are doing it here with all the accounts that we are now following live, which is now a pretty good amount. And these are actually not all the accounts. These are just the accounts that I put up to MQL5 as well. So I hope you like this video. Check out the description because there are some interesting things there. And